Click on the horizontal Type tool in the Photoshop toolbar and go to the Options menu above to choose Font Face, Font Type, Font Size, and Font Color. You can select the type color already present in the image if you click on the color picker, third from the right in the options bar, and use Photoshop's eyedropper tool to select the color from anywhere in the image. Click somewhere on the background element we just created to make a new re-editable type layer. Photoshop automatically adds filler text to the new type layer, so you can preview your font style and color choices. Since this text layer is re-editable, you can always return later and edit the text or its appearance. With the re-editable type layer selected, click anywhere in the sample text and press Command A on a Mac or Control A on a PC to select the whole text. Then replace it by typing in your own text. Press Command A on a Mac or Control A on a PC to select the text you just entered and change its alignment within the layer if desired. Go to the Options bar and choose an alignment option, fifth from the right. Switch to the Move tool in the Photoshop Tools bar and reposition the text. Photoshop presents you with several alignment guides to help you position your text just right. The last thing we will do for this project is to add a simple stroke to the text to make it stand out more. For this, we're going to add a layer style to the re-editable text layer. With the re-editable type layer selected, click Add a Layer Style from the menu at the bottom of the Layers panel, sixth from the right, and choose Stroke. In the Layer Style Options window that opens, change the width of the stroke and change the color of the stroke, and then click OK to save the changes. Press Command S on a Mac or Control S on a PC to save your changes.